Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel, Pilates Clubhouse. I'm Janine. I'm actually out camping at the moment, so this is a quick little workout that I am filming for you to do first thing in the morning. I still need to get my exercise in while I'm away. Just look at the stunning views here. We are out the back of Tully in Queensland, Australia, in a little place called Dingo Pockets. We had the most amazing camping 3 days here with the cows and the horses and the beautiful scenery. Here's a quick workout that you can do. Let's go. So the first exercise we're going to do, we're going to target those lower abs, ladies. So we're going to do knees up, arms come up. We're going to go knees up. And 9. And 8. It's very old school, this exercise, but very effective. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last set. Next one, we're going to go wide, arms to the T, and we're going to tap our toes. 10, 9, 8, come up in between. 7, 6, how are you going? 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Working those obliques. Coming up, external obliques. This is pretty easy. We're going to go side to side, 10 sets. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Good work. Now we're going to go into our squats. Wide stance, belly in. Keep drawing those abs in as you sit back in it at the hips. Inhale, you're going to go down and exhale up. Inhale, exhale. For me, I have to give myself a slight little tail tuck because I do have a slight lordotic spine. Keep drawing those abs up. 4 more. 3, 2, last one. All right, final exercise. We're going to go into a plank, into a side plank. So starting down into a plank, I'm going to do 5 each side. So plank here, and we're just going to rotate. Come back to your plank and rotate. Shoulders, elbows, wrists are lining up. 2 more here. Last one. Come back to that plank. Walk it in. Turn around, face the other way. Down into a plank. From here, we're going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Hold it here. Go into an up stretch. Push those heels down. Catch your breath. Walk your feet to your hands. Rolling up. I'm going to do 1 roll down to finish. Rolling down. And rolling up. That took me about 4 minutes. Less than 4 minutes. So give it a go daily. Just going to help keep those abs a little bit stronger, core strength.